potato basket papdi chaat. You have to cut them nice. I messed it up. You drop them in hot oil. Take the potato, grate it, drop into the hot oil. In this, add potatoes, the sweet chutney. Look at this. Crunchy bricks. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. Today we're going to make a potato basket papdi chaat. To make a potato basket, it's not difficult at all. We can make many ways, but for making the papdi is very easy. All you need to do is take all-purpose flour and in this, add some Ajwain. Ajwain is a very great flavoring, not only for the pakoras, but also the papdi. Little extra of this, add some salt. In this, we want to have the short crust kind of effect. Short crust effect is, in this, add butter. You have to just mix this butter and the flour like this. First, make this kind of short crust flour and then add some water and make this into just like a samosa dough, and then we're going to cut it into any shape you want, like roundels. We can cut into roundels using a cutter. Easy one is cut any of the shapes with the knife and we can do it. In this, do not add too much water. Add water so that this is become a nice stiff dough. Just let it rest for a few minutes and roll it into a sheet, and then I'm going to show you how to cut them. Once you make the tight dough, just like the way you make the samosa sheet, look at it, this is perfect. You don't need to, put flour or anything. Comb that especially we use for our Hyderabadi naan, make holes so that they don't puff up, and then we're going to cut it. Take a cutter, you have to cut them nice. I messed it up. 1, 2, 3, whatever roundels you cut, and then we're going to fry them. Once you roll them and cut them, make sure you drop them in hot oil, just the same temperature where you fry the samosas. Fry them till they are nice and golden. When these papdis are nicely colored, you want to make sure that they are slightly golden in color. That's when you will have this papdi ready. Making this papdi chaat, and that too in a potato tokri, is good. All of this ready. So what I did is, for making nice crispy potatoes, and even for the basket. So all you do is just take the potato, grate it, and then drop like this into the hot oil. You will have them come out nice and crispy. This is all ready, nice and crunchy. Get the basket out and see how easy it is to make this nice potato tokri or potato basket. The potato basket is ready. You have to make this papdi chaat while rotating this basket like this. So I'm just kidding. So first, we're going to have some papdi. Put few and rotate. And now add onion. Rotate. Add some carrot. In this, add some boiled or just sauteed potatoes. In this, add cucumber, some chopped coriander, some chaat masala, some of the crunchy potato what we fried a little bit. On this, see, the sweet chutney is really amazing on this. Nice mint chutney. My favorite, yogurt. Fresh, creamy kind of yogurt. Absolutely. Some people love sweet yogurt. It's up to you. This is all good. And one more round of papdi. So this, we're going to repeat the order again till we have this basket full and ready. And onion, cucumber, carrot, tomatoes, boiled potatoes, some green chili powder, some chopped coriander, little bit of chaat masala. And once again, mint chutney, sweet chutney. Once we pour the yogurt, this one more last time. I was one time called Thairvidu, that means king of yogurt. I love the yogurt so much. One more round, rotate. This basket, you can crush it, you can crunch it, you can brub bombard with this. One more last round of onion, the potatoes. If you have your girlfriend, your wife, maybe with your children, you can enjoy this full basket. The tomatoes, spice it up the way you want. I like it a little bit spicy, so some green chili and some more of chili powder. Again, the crunchy potatoes. People, they add save and all that, but this is our potato tokri. On the yogurt, we'll go green chutney, the other one. So I am the yogurt lover. I know this is a bit of extra, but that's how I love mine. So on this, the sweet chutney. Look at this. This is all ready to do the boomba boomba. Absolutely good. And first, wow, the crunchy potato. And also, this is what I do. Here is the papdi and the whole thing. It may look messy, but with the crunchy onion and the vegetables, the potato, everything nice, absolutely beautiful. This has got so many flavors. Look at a simple piece like this. This is so beautiful. You got to have a big mouth. Just too good. Dear friends, make this papdi and this basket. Look at this. This is nice, crunchy, here, bricks. So, better than chips, better than French fries, nice and crunchy. And enjoy this chaat with your family and just awesome. Dear friends, make these awesome recipes and keep saying whatever. And when you have the best food, obviously it is whatever.